Could I ask a question which might be a bit of an elephant in the room? Is there likely to be a conflict with the pharmaceutical industry?
Well, I think that you're dealing with something that's separate here. There has to be, the issue of herbal medicine, be it Ayurvedic, TCM or Tibetan, has to be addressed by the government, because there is a headlight on an express train coming down the tunnel which says European legislation. So there has to be, we can no longer work off the old derogations which we had, which enabled herbal practitioners to practice, and certain herbs can only be used under the guidance of a professional. And that's quite right, because they're very powerful. We don't want people chewing belladonna if they find it in the greenhouse. Probably they will overdose on it. So, you know what I'm saying? So I think something has to happen. And in a sense, the very fact that we have the European directive is actually forcing the issue. So I'm not pessimistic about this. I think it is timely, and it is making everyone focus. And my concern, having arrived sort of parachuted from nowhere into this evening, is that your group produces a paper by Monday, which is the closing date for the department. You need to have a view in it, because that's the close of the consultation process. And I mean, here we are. I mean, the reality is Monday is the end of the extended deadline. So some people need to work this weekend and decide what your position is and get a paper